So I'm really looking forward to seeing what you all come up with, and this gives us a chance again to all learn with and from each other. So here we go.
As far as change job in the workplace, I would say anyone who uses a computer as part of their job has changed, because a lot of work that we as humans have to do in terms of synthesizing a lot of information, doing research, reading a lot of papers, AI with humans together can do a way better job than humans could on their own.
I would say that human labor will always be needed, but the way in which human beings do labor has always changed over time and will continue to change. And this may be one of the most radical kinds of change that any of us have seen in our lifetimes and, for many generations.
LEAG, which is Learning Educators About Generative AI for Understanding and Engagement. That's our team name.
And this is an important thing that we need to stress when teaching kids about AI, is that when you use an AI, just one AI image uses as much energy as charging a cell phone.
Came up with this, I think, amazing AI tool to support our students to become that particular type of scholars.
Person more attention to be more attentive to their learning process or their presentation.
And our tagline is making movies, shows, and daily life accessible for all to enjoy.
So having something like this that we will present now would be really great for anybody.
Based on the information that's received, how focused or how locked in your class is.
We were able to ask a more specific question: can Claude build an app with this?
The most classroom-ready project, the Confidence AI team. And for the best responsible AI design, the LEAG. Most creative AI activity, the focus group. For the best teacher-student collaboration, the Access Avengers.